And so often when we're in a fully awake, non-psychedelic state, where there's a certain part of our brain that tells us whether information is being internally generated or coming from externally in. And when you're people with schizophrenia, for example, they don't have that proper check in place. So they think they're hearing voices that are coming externally in because their brain isn't telling them, no, it's you internally being generated. So when you're on these drugs, it's similar like when to a schizophrenic, things are being generated internally from your mind, but you're misinterpreting them as coming from someplace else, like from a spirit god or somewhere else, or maybe you're getting some great insight that's coming from somewhere.
So the people talking to themselves on the street and who are not on a cell phone, they're really talking to themselves.
Yes.
They're not talking to some other entity.
But they experience it as if it's another entity. Yeah. But I mean, look, this is not to say that there isn't some great answer that's coming through in different ways. But it is curious that, people who get these messages when they're in these psychedelic states are usually related to their underlying personal or religious belief systems that they have in place already.
It folds in together with it.
Yeah. Yes, which makes